Hi, my name is Ryan, head of media strategy over here at Northbeam. And in this video, I just want to walk through our new sales page and a use case that we run into all the time that'll hopefully make your lives a whole lot easier when it comes to those daily decision making. Which ad should I scale? Which ad should I bail? Now with our metric filter feature, it should be really easy peasy to come in here and save some time. So what I have pulled up is just Facebook ads. I'm just looking at one campaign. We can see that on average, the performance for this campaign is a 0.86. And for this brand specifically, we know that 0.86 is actually pretty good. It's above their baseline, home run. And so they're considering leaning more into this campaign. And one quick way to decide which campaign should I go after, or which ad should I go after, ROAS greater than, and I may just put anything above 1.1, only show me my best stuff, right? If I'm going to make changes to something that's already working, I want to lean into the really strong performers. So now I can quickly just filter by my ROAS. Still have a bunch of ads here. Maybe I want to up that threshold, right? So maybe I'm going to change it to a 1.5. Show me my best stuff. And so 1.5. And then only show me when CPCs are also less than $2. And so now, instead of combing through each individual line item, analysis paralysis, if you will, we have a handful of ads here that are strong on a CPC basis, well above baseline on a ROAS basis, and great for the brand to consider scaling these ones up. Okay, thanks, bye.